Hello students, today we are going to discuss the chapter 1 exercise 1.7. okay, up to question number 3 we have already discussed, so we are going to discuss question number 4. Now what is question number 4? Question number 4 is find the estimated quotient for each of the following by rounding off each number to its greatest place. So what is the first question is 878 divided by 28. So what is the greatest place of 878 is 900 in round off. Okay, 878 means 900 and round off value of 28 is 30. So we divide 900 by 30, we cancel 0 and we would cancel it in 30 times. Okay, so the result is 30. Now what is the second question? 745 divided by 24. So round off of 745 is 700 and 24 is 20. So we divide 700 by 24. Here we also cancel 0 and in 35 times we cancel it by 2. Okay, so the result is 35. Now what is the round off of 4489 is 4000. okay, and what is the round off of 394 is 400. okay, because it is near to 400 and it is near to 4000 greatest place. So here 4000 divided by 400, cancel 2 zeros and 4 tens are 40. okay, the result is 10. Now what is the fifth number question? Question number 5 is write the expression for each of the following statement using brackets. okay, what is the first question? First question is 4 multiplied by the sum of 13 and 7. It is like you do write in words and write in numbers like this. okay, so 4 multiplied by the sum of 13 and 7. So at first you should write the sum of 13 and 7. So what is the sum of 13 and 7? You should write simply 13 plus 7 using bracket 4 multiplied by the sum. So here you multiplied 4. okay, you should multiply it first or at last. You should also write 13 plus 7 multiplied by 4. okay, these are also true. Now 8 multiplied by the head difference. okay, 8 multiplied by the difference of 4 from 9. What is the difference of 4 from 9? Write 9 minus 4, then multiplied it with 8, or you can write 8 firstly, 9 minus 4. okay, now what is the third question? Divide the difference of 28 and 7 by 3. What is the difference of 28 and 7? So you should write 28 minus 7 using bracket by 3. okay, it is the result. Now fourth number, the sum of 3 and 7 is multiplied by the difference of 12 and 8. Sum of 3 and 7 means 3 plus 7 is multiplied by the difference of 12 and 8. What is the difference of 12 and 8? Simply write 12 minus 8. okay, Now question is finished. Now what is the 6th number question? Simplify each of the following. 124 minus in the bracket 12 minus 2 into 7. You know the BODMAS rule. At first you should calculate in the bracket digits. Okay, so we calculate 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 into 9. So firstly we multiplied, because according to BODMAS rule multiplication is before then subtraction. So we multiplied here. 10 9s are 90. 124 minus 90 is equal to 34. Okay. Similarly, question number 2. 13 plus 7 into 9 minus 14 minus 8. So at first we should calculate inside the bracket. So 13 plus 7 is 20 into 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. Now firstly multiplication. So we multiplied 20 into 5 is equal to 100 minus 18 is equal to 82. 100 minus 18 is equal to 82. Now what is the third question? 210 minus 14 minus 4 into 18 plus 2 minus 10. Okay, so we calculate firstly brackets. Okay, so 210 minus 14 minus 10 means 14 minus 10 means 10. Sorry, 14 minus 4 means 10 into 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So 10 into 20 comes 200. Here minus 10. Okay, so you should subtract firstly 200 from 210. When we subtract 210 minus 200, we get 10. Again 10 minus 10, we get 0, because 10 minus 10 is 0. So result is 0. Okay. Now what is the question number 7? 7 number question is simplify each of the following. These are simple multiplication, so you should do, okay, yourself.